In this video, we are going to see how we can save the Google slide to USB flash drive. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. All you have to do is to access Google Slides, just sign in with your ID using your credentials. And once you're in your ID, go to the right hand corner where you see this option of Google Apps. Click on that and scroll all the way down to this icon which says Google Slides. Click on this to open, and let's say we have used this template from the gallery and this is our presentation. Let's say we have customized that according to our needs, and now we want to save this to a USB. What we do is just click on the file menu, and from here we click on download, and we can download it in the PowerPoint presentation mode, or we can download it as a PDF document, JPEG image, PNG image, or whatever. So in this case, we want to save this as a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Click on that and it will download it immediately. We will click on show in folder option, and from here it will be located in downloads. We click on cut, we click on it, press Ctrl X to cut it, and then just plug in the USB and it will be shown in this PC just like so. Just double click to open it, and you can create a folder if you want to and paste it here just by holding Ctrl and then press V to paste. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.